In the world of digital signage, it's not just about what content you're displaying, but it's also about how you display that content. And there's nothing worse than the beautiful sight of your carefully curated content then being tainted by a mess of cables surrounding your display. Meet the MOKA DS50P Series. This family of devices aims to solve this problem for you whilst providing stunning ultra-high definition visuals. But how do they do it? The answer is right here. This device has a BrightSign HS145 built directly onto the back of the unit. So in essence, we have a system-on-chip Series 5 BrightSign device here that will happily run Signagelive, as you can see right now. This particular device here has a 43-inch 4K screen with anti-glare panel for better visibility, and you can run full 4K video at 60 FPS. So you can expect ultra-high definition as well as stunning visuals. MOKA as a brand had screens ranging from 16 inches all the way up to 105 inches. Now, these devices are designed for 24/7 operation, and as such, they have a 50,000 hour LED lifespan, enhancing both the durability and the longevity. Of course, if you pair this with the fact that you have a commercial grade media player built onto the back of it, this makes this device versatile and scalable, which is perfectly suitable for intensive digital signage applications. It features many of the inputs and outputs that you'll be familiar with if you've come across a BrightSign device before, including USB-A, USB-C, RS-232 serial port, a HDMI input, and a GPIO port so you can create interactive experiences by connecting to external applications, such as buttons, LEDs, sensors, and you can use this as a means of triggering content. Of course, it also has a micro SD card port, which is where our content is stored, that is hidden right under here, and the SD card is also the means in which we will install Signagelive on this guy. Although that's not the only way you need to install this, might I add. You can also configure this device with B-Deploy. You can leave a blank SD card inserted into the device, and then as long as the device has an internet connection, you can install Signagelive from anywhere in the world as long as you have the BrightSign serial number or the hardware ID for the device. The same goes for BSN.cloud. This is BrightSign's remote management system for BrightSign devices. This system can also be used with this device, and it allows you to install any supported CMS of your choice, capture debug logs, grab screenshots, reboot the player, and so much more, all from the BSN.cloud portal. And it's great because it means you can update your content, adjust settings, and troubleshoot issues without even having to be on site with the device itself. This MOKA device supports HTML5 widgets and animations, so you can pair this with the abundance of apps available from our Signagelive marketplace as well, allowing you to display content such as social media feeds, weather apps, news, and more. Additionally, if you want to display business intelligence dashboards on your digital signage displays, you can of course do this too with the integrations that we have available. Because of the additional HDMI input, you can also stream IPTV to this device from the HDMI output of a top box if you wish. And of course, one of the major highlights of a device like this is just how compact it is. Despite it being a 43-inch display, the fact that it is a system-on-chip device means that there is no requirement for an external media player, meaning that your cable management immediately levels up. Not to mention the ultra-thin design and the slim bezels, so no more scrambling trying to hide your cables to keep the surrounding area of your screens tidy and presentable. You also have the option of Ethernet as well as dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. At this rate, all you're going to need is a power cable. Overall, the MOKA DS50P Series will be an incredible asset to your digital signage arsenal. Pair it with Signagelive and you have a cable-free and crystal clear solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch and we'd be more than happy to help. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.